Hi and welcome back to the channel where we talk about everything eBay related and more. And today we're going to be doing something pretty live whereby we're going to actually go through and try and work out how we can buy a particular item and sell it back on another particular platform. So this is what we're looking at, where you could do this very, very quickly by just understanding a couple of things, a bit of strategy. So we talk about this, and obviously we have a list of items as well that you can also choose from, and this is what we do. Have a look at the description, and again, if you want to be on this particular list, obviously talking about all these type of things, please do so, and we'll go through a couple of lists of things that we're doing here. But this is what happens, obviously understanding how do people buy and sell, and you're probably wondering how people find items to sell on eBay. One of the concepts is obviously a lot of people have to try to get rid of a particular excess stock. They've got to try and do very, very quickly. And as you know, this again, someone's trash is somebody else's treasure. And this is what we're looking at and we're taking advantage of when it comes down to selling on eBay and all different types of things. We're going to use a particular two platforms here, one particular places and marketplaces. But remember what's going on here. You have to buy the item first if you're actually going to do this first, and understanding. So in a way to do it, you can do so. If you're near one of these particular stores, you probably can actually purchase a particular item right now and sell the item. So we're going to go and I'm going to show you what is possible. It's not a huge jump, but the whole objective behind here is doing this in increments where you can gradually get up and understand what's really going on. So let's look at this in full entirety. We're looking at Amazon right now. And one of the things that we're looking for is a particular toy. It's a branded toy, but more importantly to understand, look, what's really going on here. I've tried to search for this particular toy. Again, it's a Playmobile 9489. You'll understand in a minute or two why I'm choosing this one, because this is what this is what I found, because I'm trying to leverage things. Now, there's not much money in it, but I'm not looking at that. But I'm looking at the situation that can be done and why it can be done. And if you can do it, imagine it could mount up if you knew what was really going on. You're not looking for something that's really, really huge in demand. This is not the objective. It's not. You're not looking at that in the winner situation. Remember what's happening right now. We're coming out of what we call Q could come out of Christmas. Toys and things that these people get rid of. People want to change them, and people may want to sell them for different types of reasons. So, all right, now this is the good thing. This is can tell us that this particular item is not actually on Amazon. All right. It's not selling on Amazon. Probably the reason why. Actually, you probably can't find it if you type it in. But at the present moment, you can find it if you go to another place. Now, Amazon says this particular item you can buy it for $24.99. Now, look what happens here. If we went to eBay, on the other hand, eBay is saying it's for. Let's have a look. This is sold, by the way. It's actually selling for $32.40. So you can see the difference between the two here. So this is $32.40, and it actually sold for $32.40. If I go down to here, $32.40 is sold. So you can see what's happened here on Amazon. On Amazon you can just barely find that particular price, and you can find it for a lower price. But on eBay, it's sold for $32.40. Now you can see right away you can make some profit here in the way it is. And again, it's selling quite frequently as well. So it's got this one that's sold on February 17th. Intimately, it's sold again. This is probably something brand new, but again, it's sold again at 10th of February, and 15. Again, it's sold that in January the 30th, and again, it's got for 38. The list goes on. So you probably could sell this right as we speak, as we speak. But let's have a look at it whereby we can go one step further. Now we're taking for another marketplace, and we can see it at $26.97. All right, so you can see straight away you're going to be in the profit here of this whole situation. So this is what you're going to take advantage of, is where people are selling these particular items for less price. in a way is you've got to know how to read these very, very quickly. And even though things do change now and again, this is how you're going to go about going on and reselling things. So all you got to do is obviously buy the product, list it on eBay, and hopefully, and then you should actually make a sale behind it, and you make it again a little profit, and then go again and repeat the particular strategy again and again and again and again and again, whereby you're getting the you're getting the know-how, understanding what's really going on. So that's something you can do right now. And I mean, surprisingly, if anybody actually goes out and does this and they sell one, I've just done it very, very quickly, in a way, because I'm quite used to understanding what goes on. Remember what you should be doing. Do not copy people's listings and copy the actual particular images. People don't like that. Have your own images on what you do, because obviously you've got people that are authorized, they can actually sell these particular items, because they're worried about fake particular things. But don't worry about it too much, because guess what, the whole objective of the day, if you've got this and you want to sell it, it's brand new and you purchase this and you can prove it's been purchased, great stuff. That's what you want to do, and you'll be actually okay with that as well. Now bearing in mind, as I said before, these are the strategies that you want to put in place as a new particular seller when it comes down to eBay. You don't want to be, trying to reinventing the wheel here when it comes down to these types of things. Think about it very, very carefully, or the strategy you want to go into. This is just one way I'm going to show. I'm going to show you many particular ways you can do exactly the same thing, and showing you particular items that can be done. In the description, as I said before, we do have a particular way we can actually do this way. We probably can do all the research for you, but more importantly, look down in the description and try to find out the other type of things that we do. This is one of the areas that we want to play around with as well. As I said before, everybody's different when it comes down to going to sell things on eBay. A lot of people may go far and wide, and some people maybe do toys, different categories. Different categories have different particular percentages of the profits that you take as well on that as well. Now, but more importantly, what I'm trying to say here is this: strategy. Why do people, why do businesses sell what they have to sell? And why do they make a profit? Some do, some don't. But try not to get in it is too much. Focus on what you're trying to do here and try to make some sales. And I'll go through a lot of stuff in some more videos as well. As I said before, that's it for today. I'll look up some more videos as we go along through our journey that we're providing. Why not comment below? Have your say, share your opinion, and we can even solve some of the problems that you may be facing along the way. Like and subscribe to the channel to get exclusive updates on when things change on eBay and very more. That's it for now. Check out all the other videos that you may have missed here on this channel.